Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shah, and today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency market. What is going on? We had a slight dip. Bitcoin is at $58,000. Is that a bearish sign, or is this a healthy correction before we go into a super cycle bull run? November, one of the most hyped months and one of the most green bullish months in all of cryptocurrency history, is being divided by analysts on whether it should be bullish or bearish. We just had the ETF launch for Bitcoin, the futures ETF. I believe this year we might even have a Bitcoin, maybe an Ethereum ETF. If these things happen, expect the crypto market to go parabolic. Although there is a pullback today, we still see Shiba Inu up. We still see all of these meme coins pumping. We see 1 inch pump today. So we are still in the middle of a super cycle bull run. Don't get confused. I know that if you're coming from traditional stocks into crypto, a 10% to 15% drop for you is a lot because your average is, 2 to 10%, 10%. And that's a huge jump in the traditional stock game. However, in cryptocurrency, you can go up hundreds and hundreds of percent, and then you'll go back 20%, and that can be a very healthy thing. And why is that? Why is it that crypto is so volatile? Well, one, it's an asset class that is decentralized. It's not centralized. So anyone can go and make a crypto coin. So people can create communities and create power and create value based off consensus, right? Whether you're a DAO, whether you are a shitcoin, whether you are a fundamental token, no one needs any high credentials to be able to buy into one of these projects. That's why with the utilization of blockchain and NFTs, we see NFTs exploding because it's giving a lot of utilization and a lot of community value to a lot of these coins as well. If you haven't seen the Cyber Kongs, definitely check them out. The Genesis Kongs receive 10 bananas per day, and that price has been fluctuating between $100 to $50, but that's $1,000 a day essentially. And these Genesis Kongs were selling for $700,000. So what's going on with that? Well, the SEC is cracking down on projects like this because they say these type of projects are considered securities. Are they considered securities? Is it too early to tell? What should these projects do? Well, a lot of projects that are trying to come out like CyberKongs to have incentive are actually getting banned. So for us, for example, for those of you that follow my channel, we are dropping the Wall Street Wolves, a collection of 10,000 unique NFTs. But what we do, we're very transparent with our roadmap. We make sure that we talk about our core values. We make sure that it's a continuous project. For our collection, we airdrop our community one NFT every single month, because we're continuously working to create value with something that is innately valueless. A JPEG is valueless. However, when you put it on the blockchain and you create a community around it and you start giving exclusive perks and membership clubs, well, then now it is the biggest flex in the world. It is a bigger flex than buying a Ferrari and going to the mall, because millions of people will see when you have a Bored Ape. Millions of people will see when you have a CryptoPunk, and millions of people will see these first NFTs that are evolving so early. Remember, it was just months ago, only 2% of the entire world knew about NFTs. Now they're going parabolic. People are getting excited about the crypto market, but today we had a slight dip, right? Just like NFTs were going parabolic. They were going parabolic during the months when crypto was being stagnant. From that May to August bear trap, NFTs were exploding in value. So you have to understand, this is a game of cycles. If you have gained value from this video so far, smash that like button. Let me know what you think about the sound. Let me know what you think about the lighting. This is just I'm regurgitating everything so you guys can, if you've been watching this long, you retain as much as you possibly can. If you're in Cardano, if you're in Ethereum, Yes, these will 2x, 5x, maybe 10x. You know, they've 100x before. However, I want you guys to understand what value is, the total value locked into these crypto coins. You have to understand that's why it's not like the New York Stock Exchange. People can just create coins, create communities, and have a coin pump, or have people pump or buy into an NFT collection that has exclusive perks. And they make it super scarce. That sweet number is 10,000 for the NFT space. And if you're in the NFT space, you're going to want to look at how many owners there are to assets. And usually you look for that number to be close to 2. So if it's 10,000 assets, 5,000 owners, that's great. That means each person has about 2. That's similar to what Bored Ape Yacht Club is. And that's a great rule of thumb. They're like the Nike of the NFT space. So they're great to follow what they've done. They make it simple. However, it is very exclusive to be a part of that community. Steph Curry bought his Bored Ape for $180,000. Just the other day, a Bored Ape was sold for 3.4 million. So the value is limitless. It's very hard to predict the value of something that's based off scarcity, based off rarity, and based off community with exclusive perks. It grows over time. Crypto punks will be a store of value similar to what Bitcoin is. So my advice to you guys is, if you're in this crypto market, remember, if you buy in a bull run, sell in a bull run. If you buy in a bear market, hold long term. Okay? You want to realize your profits and you want to have your long-term investments. We're not tribalistic on this channel. We believe in diversifying our portfolio. We believe in first layer protocols, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, BNB, Harmony, Elrond, Fantom. If you've been watching this channel, we've had Fantom since 29 cents. We love projects with utility, especially first layer protocols. Algorand with El Salvador, Cardano with Ethiopia, Stellar Lumens with Ukraine. These are huge announcements. This could cause mass adoption for the cryptoverse. And remember, Bitcoin is $1 trillion market cap. When it passed $54,000, it became above 1 trillion. The gold's market cap is 10 trillion. So we're still 1/10 of what gold is. If you guys are still watching this video, smash that like button. It really helps me out. And comment below what you believe the best investment is during this bull run. Is it NFTs or is it crypto? Right? So right now, I believe it is a game of cycles. You guys have to be very aware of the cycles. Right now, Shiba is up 15% on the day. Whole market's crashing. 1 inch is up. Whole market's crashing. So you have to look at narrative as well as trends. And the trends are, a lot of the shitcoins are pumping right now. As Bitcoin dominance lowers, shitcoins, altcoins pump. Usually anything with a Doge, usually anything with Shiba. If you haven't seen Safe Moon Inu, check it out. It's up thousands of percent. Doge Elon Mars, check it out. It's up thousands of percent. Shiba up hundreds and thousands of percent. So remember, it's all about timing. We're in the middle of a super cycle bull run, and those coins can be risky, very high risk, very high reward. But you must also have your fundamental coins. You have to have your blue chips like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. But you have to understand, Bitcoin's at $1 trillion market cap. So if it goes from 60,000 to 120,000, that's a $2 trillion market cap. That's a 2x on your money. So Bitcoin, for a new investor, it's good to have some. But if you're looking for that 2x, that 10x, that 20x, you're going to want something with a lower cap. Ethereum is at a $500 billion market cap. So if it goes to $1 trillion market cap, we're talking about an $8,000 Ethereum. That's totally doable. We might get a $20,000 Ethereum. Well, that's a 5x. Still very bullish. These are the things you have to look at. And remember, Bitcoin dominance is going down. So all the other coins are going to pump right after. Bitcoin is going to create some consolidation and roam around that $58,000 to $68,000 mark until November, which I believe that Bitcoin could go absolutely parabolic. You know, it could go 98,000. And although that isn't even a 2x on Bitcoin, that is so much in volume and market cap that it creates the entire market to pump thereafter. So set your bets. If you've been watching this channel, you've probably looked into MTV, MultiVAC. It has Shah from KuCoin. He's one of the people on the team. Very, very strong first layer protocol. We've been talking about it for a while now. If you haven't seen our video, check it out. Elrond, absolutely amazing. If you haven't seen our video on Elrond, since Elrond was $100 and under, we were talking about Elrond. Elrond now almost touching $300 just yesterday. And we believe Elrond can go much higher. If you want to see our price prediction on Elrond, definitely check out my videos on Elrond. We are huge on Elrond. It's the second biggest community outside of Cardano. Fantom, huge. Harmony, huge. Cadena, I don't know how to say it, but smart contracts, done amazing. Probably the best out of the first layer protocols in the last 2 weeks. But MTV is one that is still under $100 million market cap, which I'm very bullish on. I expect to see a 20x plus on this crypto on the long run. And you can get this crypto on KuCoin. If you haven't checked out our video on it, definitely check it out. But remember, it's going to go Bitcoin, Ethereum, DeFi. Everything's going to start consolidating. Shitcoins, altcoins are going to explode. NFTs are going to follow right after suit, consolidate. And when the crypto market starts getting stale, it's going to start pumping again, because when nothing's going on with Bitcoin and nothing's going on with cryptos, everyone is investing into NFTs, because when the hype dies out, there's nothing to really talk about. With NFTs, there's a whole community you can talk about with exclusive perks that help you in the cryptoverse as well. You know, that's one thing we're adding to our roadmap, giving exclusive crypto information, like a top 100 crypto coins list. If that's something you like, smash that like button. We're giving exclusive collaborations with street fashion brands to bring people in to create a community, giving away canvases to community members. These are just little things we're doing collaborations with celebrities to bring in more hype, more community, more value, people having similar mindsets. You know, the billionaire mindset. That's the mindset we like to have on this channel. That's the mindset we like to have in our NFT community. And that's the type of mindset we need to have when we're thinking about long-term success. So when you are investing in crypto, I know it's a lot to take in, but have a thesis, have a reason you're making decisions. Because if you don't know why you're investing, you're going to kick yourself. And also, although NFTs seem difficult to navigate, there's many tools you can use. And if you haven't checked out our videos on the tools you can use for NFTs, definitely check them out. Here are a few tools just for note. Rarity.tools is a huge one. That's a huge one. CNFTs.io is for Cardano NFTs. CNFT Analytics is a great source for Cardano NFTs. But the main one for the Ethereum blockchain, and you really want to start now before it expands to all the first layer protocols we've talked about, is going to be Ethereum. And you're going to start with Rarity.tools. There's also Rarity Sniper. So definitely check out these tools to see how rare the NFTs are. And then from there, you can dig deeper to how many traits they have, what are the exact attributes, and what are you gaining through that community. Anyways, guys, that was a mouthful for today. We went from everything from the fundamentals of Bitcoin to Ethereum to the cycles that occur during a bull run, how it is a trickling domino effect. Right now, we see these altcoins and shitcoins pumping. We will soon see Bitcoin dominance go right back up. And I believe NFTs are long-term holds. I do not believe we're even close to the bubble. A lot of people believe this is like the dot-com bubble, and I believe that too. But if you have the right mentality, you have the right community, and you have the right art, you can really become a blue chip in this space, similar to what CryptoPunks has done and Bored Ape Yacht Club. And this is only the beginning. Only a fraction of the world knows what's going on so far. So guys, thank you for listening to me till the end. Nothing's more valuable than your time except your money. So I'll see you next time with some more gems.